Doko desu ka can save you when you need a place. Name the place if you can. Then ask Doko desu ka.
Nihongo EXP. Quest 12. Doko desu ka pa?
Quest 12.1. Ask for a place. Doko desu ka asks where something is. If you know the place name, say it first.
どこですか？トイレはどこですか？駅はどこですか？
Quest 12.2. Clear place, bathroom, or station. If the place is already clear, Doko desu ka can be enough. If you need the bathroom, say Tor wa doko desu ka. If you need a station, say Eki wa doko desu ka. Use Doko desu ka when you need a location. If the place is not obvious, name it before Doko desu ka. Use Nan desu ka for object names and Doko desu ka for locations. Nan desu ka asks what something is. Doko desu ka asks where something is.
Mini dialogue.
You need the bathroom in a shop. Listen to the scene, then repeat once.
いらっしゃいませ。トイレはどこですか？
プレイスネームプラスフェアクエスチョントイレはどこですか？
Quick check. You need the bathroom. What do you ask?
Correct.
A. Torwa doko desu ka. It asks where the bathroom is.
トイレはどこですか？
Mistake clinic. Doko desu ka alone can be vague if the place is not clear. Mistake clinic. Doko desu ka alone can be vague if the place is not clear. Name the place first.
トイレはどこですか？
Battle start. 3 place scenes to clear the quest. Question 1. You need the bathroom. What do you ask? Answer. A. Twarwa doko desu ka. It asks where the bathroom is.
トイレはどこですか？
Question 2. You see an unknown object. What do you ask? Answer. A. Kore wa nan desu ka. It asks what this object is.
これは何ですか？
Question 3. You need the station. What do you ask? Answer. A. Eki wa doko desu ka. It asks where the station is.
駅はどこですか？
Today's rule. Need a location?
Name it, then ask.
Final shadowing. Listen, repeat, then one more time.
トイレはどこですか？トイレはどこですか？トイレはどこですか？トイレはどこですか？
Nice. You cleared quest 12.
ネクストクエスト、これはいくらですか？ Ask the price.
Subscribe to keep leveling up.